So Meta just used our information to clone us. What is this? What is this? Sort of. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? So just like you, I've been using Instagram DMs for years, and what I can be honest about is as you grow, it gets a little bit slower to answer these DMs. It becomes a little bit overwhelming. I want to answer everybody's DMs in a very timely manner, and sometimes just my life and just how the DM like inbox be, it's almost impossible. But Meta came up with a solution using AI. So in this video, we're going to talk about what exactly is Meta AI Studio, what are the two different AIs you can create with your profile, and we're going to go to a creator's account and see how it is live using the creator AI. So let me take you inside a content corner where we talked about this. Yes or no in the chat if you saw the announcement about AI Studio, okay? Let's go with the text first. Let's go with the text. So first one that we need to be concerned about, and if you've been watching these lives for a while, you may have heard a little bit about it because Mark Zuckerberg did a interview talking about this. But one, they're calling it creator AIs. And pretty much what they're doing is taking your posts, your stories, your captions, and they're creating pretty much like a chat bot from it. I'm gonna get my guy to break it down even more for us. But pretty, like it says, build an AI that can answer common DM questions and story replies for you in your own voice. So you have time to reach out to more people and your fans. You can get quicker responses, that whole night. So this is what it kind of looks like. And we may actually DM one of these people to see what they're talking about, right? So pretty much you're getting cloned. Now, they have some tips already for it. Customize it. You can refine your AI based on the Instagram and Threads content. Shout out to everybody who uses Threads, right? Then shared links. You can add links to now, I want to talk about this. I got another video that breaks this down. This is going to be really good for businesses and for us creators that are on the business side of things. So keep that in mind. Keep that in the back of your head, the shared links. And then access insights. So we love data, okay? We love data. Now it says how to create it. But before we get into the how to create it, let's listen from one of the guys himself, Adam Mosseri, about this announcement.
For you to actually create an AI on Instagram. Creator AIs and AI characters. Now, creator AIs are an option for creators to create an extension of themselves that is customized based on everything that they've shared to Instagram and any other customizations they want to do. For instance, you can tell it what topics you don't want it to talk about. And you can put this on your profile, and it's a way to reach more people. I answer a lot of the same questions over and over about how verification works, how ranking works, how Instagram works. And this can be a way for anybody to go to my profile and message with that AI and get answers to their questions without having to go through all of my old videos. The second is not just for creators, it's for anybody who wants to make an AI. And these are AI characters, and you can give them any personality that you want, and hopefully they can entertain and inspire. And you can put those on your profile too.
Okay, let's read the caption as well. So we're announcing the ability to create two types of AIs on Instagram, creator AI and AI characters. Creators are going to have their option to build an AI as an extension of themselves to answer common questions over DMs, helping them. Can't even speak. Helping them reach more people. And anyone is going to be able to create an AI character based off their interests to entertain or inspire. So let's have a conversation before we get into the next video. First and foremost, how do we feel about this? Are we kind of skeptic about it? Are we all for this? So type in 1 if you're all for this. Like, this sounds good. This sounds great. 2, if you're like, I'm not really sure. Okay. So let's go with the first. I think the character one, I don't think that's going to be a hit. And let me explain why. So Meta AI came out with these characters before. Remember, they came out with something of T-Pain, Mr. Beast, some of these celebrities. And I really haven't heard anything much about it. Now, the cloning one where the creator AI I find this very interesting because from what I know, and I don't have it yet, but from what I know, is going to take from your threads and from your post, and it's going to be like a knowledge base. So anybody who continues to ask you questions, it just answers directly from, let's say, your post. So you don't have to answer them in any kind of way. Now, of course, the concern about this is more of, do we lose the personal touch? Now, if you already have DM automation, and some of y'all know about DM automation because you've rocked with me. So if you've ever gone on my Instagram and put corner or newsletter, or even to get to this live, you know there's some DM automations that will instantly give you the link or the information that you asked for. So this is pretty much like DM automation, but it goes more personalized based off your content. I'm not actually mad at this.
Creator AI. And I think there's massive potential here for creators, brands, and businesses. But at the same time, there are some problems. Let me break it all down. So what is Creator AI? Well, basically, if somebody DMs you, a personalized AI agent will respond on your behalf. I have it active right now. So if you want to test it, DM me. But depending on your location, it may not work. Now, the AI is trained on whatever data you allow it access. Posts, comments, threads, stories, etc. So the more data you have out there, the more accurate the AI is. You can also further fine-tune it with manual input, facts about yourself, Q&A, and you can also assign topics to avoid. But what's really cool is you could add links to your products or content. Now, you can imagine how useful this is for a business. Say you're a clothing brand and you're getting a million DMs about what your best sellers are, or a particular item, or somebody looking for a specific reel that you posted a while back. The AI can infinitely scale and handle all of the inbound with relevant links. And this is what Zuckerberg was explaining in a recent interview, that there's going to be billions of agents in the future that can automate some of the menial tasks so you can fully focus on creative work. Now, as a creator, it does introduce some issues. Somebody messages me to say that they were really inspired by a recent video. It feels very impersonal, almost like a slap in the face to respond with an automated message. I mean, that personal touch in relationships is really important to me and most creators. Now, if somebody DMs me to ask about what camera I'm using, Creator AI is great. They get an answer right away and it saves me time. So that's what the product team over at Instagram is going to have to reconcile. But you kind of get an idea of how useful these AI agents can be when deployed properly. Let me know what you think. I'll keep you.
So here's a part that I wanted to screenshot, right? Because this says right here, select the types of content you would like to use to help your AI sound more like you. This includes content you've created in the past and any content you've created in the future. So it talks about your posts, your reels, your even comments. Okay. Stories and highlights, archive stories, broadcast channels, and thread posts. So everything that you've pretty much put on Instagram and threads is going to gather it and create it your own personal chatbot. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Now, there is a part, let me see if I can find it, that, here we go, that you can share links. Now, if this is true, which I'm assuming it is because he does have early access to it. If this is true, this is a business kind of dream come true, because you can have your own like funnel, messaging funnel inside of your DMs, which is extremely hard to do in ManyChat. Not extremely hard, but very time consuming because you have to kind of map that out. And for those people who don't know what ManyChat is a DM automation that if you was to go into one of my posts on Instagram right now and you typed in newsletter or clip or one of those things, it would automatically send you a DM. So this is a higher version of, let's say, DM automation. It just goes based off of your content. I think this is going to be very interesting. And I want to see if it actually, like how it works, how it looks for the people. Now, I want to see, he said, also further fine tune with your manual input. So here's some cool things. Like you could also change some of the things, like you can manually input some of your information. So it's not only going to be AI stuff, like you can still add your own sauce, your own vibes to it, which is very interesting, right? So like it even has like your facts. I was born in Venezuela and lived there for like 6 years. Then I immigrated to the United States. My main camera I shoot with is a Canon R5 and an R5C. So when people ask him that, boom, you know what I mean? Like that's going to be a situation like that'll instantly answer for him. So I think that's pretty cool. If we fast forward to it, and shout out to Roberto because I love his content. But this is an example of somebody DMing him saying, "Hey, what camera and lens do you use?" And based off the facts that he added, then they break it down like that. Now, let's see how this actually looks. Let's go to, it doesn't give that little AI thing again. Now, what was the other guy's name? Let's see if the other guy has it. Don Allen, because maybe I already follow. So here we go. So Don Allen has that message, but you can see right there, it has kind of like the AI symbol, right? So boom, chat with AI based on creators. We're testing a new way for you to interact with your favorite creators. Chat with a particular creator, send a message, and get an instant reply from creators' AI. Creators can also respond directly anytime. Get responses based on the real content. Each AI uses content and information based on by the creator to help from inform messages, replies, and then help improve AI chats. We may use your feedback and messages sent to participating creators to improve AI quality. So you're going to get this kind of pop-up, which is really good because you'll know when you're going to be talking to AI or not. So that's really good. And it's starting to be transparent. So that's really good. So if we press OK, we're testing out new ways to interact. As you chat to creators who have AI replies turned on, please remember the responses generated by AI may be inaccurate or inappropriate. Well, that's interesting. That's interesting. You know what I mean? Don says, I like it and need it. Okay. All right. Yours needs to have LB say less. I like that for you. I like that for you. You feel me? I can see this for deeper than the brand. Now that's a fact. That's a fact. I'm excited for this feature. I'm excited for this feature. 1 to 10. How excited are you about this feature? Now I don't know, my guy. Like I really don't know what to say. What I will say is that I like what Meta is doing for influencers. What I mean by that is that they're actually bringing exposure for those people who are testing it out, which is really cool because I never heard of this Don Allen guy, right? And some people never heard of Roberto. And there's some other people who talk about this as well. I think I'll find another one who talks about this too. We can see what he says about it. And so it brings exposure and it's like, yo, let me get in their DMs and get into their system, which is smart. Right. So I like that. I like that for them. I like that. Now, let's try it with the Don Allen guy. You know what I mean? Let's try it. I just want to test out your AI feature. They have you all over the blogs and videos. Boom. So it's like automatically replying. I'm glad you're interested in testing out my AI feature. I'm here to help answer any questions you may have and provide information on a wide range of topics. What would you like to know or discuss? I like that. Let's do that. How do you like this chat bot feature so far as a creator, right? So I'm like, come on, I see you. Oh wow, that is a whole novel. Why are you giving me a novel? Well, yeah, okay, let's read some of the novel because I'm not reading all of this. I love it. I like having a super smart intern who can answer common questions for my followers 24/7 while I need a break to like go outside. Second, the AI is getting really good. I mean, I would say it's about 91% accurate with reflecting my voice and assisting with knowledge sharing. So, okay, cool. Now let me do some research because it's saying that it can take from a particular post, right? So, let's look at one of his posts. Let's ask questions based off his post and see how accurate it really is. So, what's this one?
Creativity with Don Allen Third Live. Today we're going to be doing a live unboxing of a new type of computer, the Daylight computer. This is called the DC-1. It's a computer, like a tablet, designed to be used outdoors. It doesn't emit blue light, so it's supposed to be much better on your eyes. And so we're going to kind of see what that looks like and what that does. And so we'll do we'll go ahead and jump in. So first off, in the unbox, it's got a nice like kind of book, book-like material. And then if I open it up here, all right, let's see, you got Daylight, quick start.
Let's just ask about the Daylight. Let's see how smart it is, okay? So, boom. I saw you did a post about the Daylight tablet. What are some of the features that you like? Let's see what it does. I love the Daylight tablet. I like a digital paper. It's like a digital paper that lets me draw a sketch right without any distractions. The natural light display is amazing and it's so calming to use. I also appreciate how it runs on Android, so I can use it with my favorite apps like Procreate and Illustrator. Overall, it's a great tool for creatives like me. How much is it? Let's see. Costs around $700. Worth every penny. Okay. All right. This is pretty cool. Let's go back. Let's go all the way back. Not all the way back, but a few scrolls up. You mean? A few scrolls up. Let's do
Comics, they have two different AIs. If you go one forward, there's Ultron, this guy on the left, and Ultron embodies the perils of an unchecked AI. Ultron's solution to world peace was kill all the humans. So, not great, right?
a little too geeked out about me. Here we go.
Hey, Jolly, I had this idea for a character in mind. I want to see if you wanted to collaborate on it.
Good afternoon, John Allen. I'm excited to work with you again. What are you
I'm
imagining?
thinking of a cyberpunk style, like dinosaur character, kind of like from the world of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I love that show. I'm on it.
Yeah, I used to watch them a lot when I was a kid. I'm a big fan.
I like his content. He's pretty dope. I need to follow him. He's pretty dope. So he bought the rabbit. I got the rabbit. I never liked the rabbit. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's okay. What are your thoughts on the Rabbit R1? So that was the device that we just saw. So let's see. I'm super excited about the Rabbit R1. It's a pocket-sized AI assistant that can help with tasks and answer questions. The note-taking feature is especially cool. It can summarize info and can create to-do lists. I ordered 2. I can't wait to review them. I thought he already did review them. Hold on. Let's see. That's me being picky. Yep. He already reviewed it. Look at me getting all... It looked like you already reviewed it. I'm not mad at this. I'm really not. I did. I tried it out at the skate park. Oh, that's okay. That's fire. That's fire. We just saw that. We just saw that he was kind of skating. It said, I tried it at the skate park and loved how it could take notes and summarize info. The orange color is really fun. Okay. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. I'm about to tell him that. Okay. The fact that your AI knew that is fire. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's fire. I'm impressed by that one. Thanks. I'm learning and improving. My AI is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. But let's talk about something else. What's your favorite tech gadget? Nah, I'm good. I don't want to talk about it no more. I'm like, nah, I'm good. I don't want to talk to you no more. I don't want to talk to you no more. Okay. So after seeing that, now 1 to 10, how do we feel about it? After seeing that, okay, I had to test you before, test you a little bit after. Now, honest first thoughts, I think that's cool. I think that the fact that it can take, now what I do say, before I go into the full blown thought, what I will say, this is going to be great for businesses. This is going to be great for those who are in the educational side, right? I think it's great for all influencers and businesses, for anybody who, like, there'll be people who are asking questions. I think this is great. The first thought that comes into mind with this is the fact that you have to be intentional with always going inside of your DMs once this is enabled to make sure you have that human connection. Because what we don't want is just for the AI to take over and you don't really have that one-on-one vibes. Like, you're answering their questions and that cool, but then you start to become more of just a knowledge base than an actual human. And so when we think about this feature, yes, this is probably going to save us a lot of time. If y'all looked at my DMs are nasty. Nasty. Okay. Now, I also have DM automation. And so I'm already in that habit of, I'll send a DM. Some of you guys actually are on my DM list, as far as when I get a new YouTube video, I'll send out the link to my broadcast channel through my mini chat. Then if I post something on my stories, or let's say I post something like one of the posts, period, like on my feed, then I have some keywords. We'll put that there, right? But mainly, most of the time, if somebody's asking me a question, I'll answer it personally. As a person that has over 170K followers, I can't get to all of my DMs. And so the fact that it's going to create an AI bot for me, I'm very, very interested. Now let's go back to that creator post, because I want to see, how do we get this set up, right? Because clearly I don't have it. I'll be curious to know if any of you guys have it, because I don't want to assume like you don't have it, right? So let's read this together. Let's read this together. How to create one, right? Instagram creators with professional accounts. So please listen to me. Please stop having a personal IG account. If anybody follows me, y'all should already know this. But if you're new, please change your Instagram account to a professional account, creator account, something that allows you to have a better account, because it doesn't suppress your reach, engagement, nothing like that. It actually gives you more features. So please do that off top. Now, it says you could create your AI on your professional dashboard in Instagram mobile app under your AI. You can test and refine your AI privately, and when you're ready, you can turn on the AI auto replies from AI settings. Fans can interact with your creator AI by tapping the little star icon. So this is what we're about to do. Let's see if any of my accounts have it. So the great part about this is that I have my account I have E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher's account. I have S2S Podcast account. We're going to see if somebody has it already. Okay? But it does say it is going to be releasing in the next couple of weeks. You feel me? AI character. AI based on your interests. You create an AI to entertain people, like trivia, game host, or local travel guide, or an AI that will help with inspiration. Like an AI that offers your daily affirmations, fashion trends, or to help inspire your own content, like funny captions. Excuse me, hold on, I'm about to die. Oh my God, I be coughing sometimes. So, there's no tech skills required. You can create from scratch or select an idea to get started, blah, blah, blah. So this will be something like your AI character. That's cool. How to create the AI character in the Instagram app, tap message, top right, tap AI chat, then you can select create. And you can keep your AI character private, publish it to your followers, friends, and everyone as you share your AI directly. I wonder if I don't think that's access coming to creators over the coming months. Okay, yeah, so that's not out there. Yeah, that's not out there just yet. But that's pretty cool. Is it joined late? Is this the AI character? It is. It is, okay? So for those people who are just jumping on late, we were talking about AI, the creator AI and the AI character. Those are the two different types of AI tools that are coming out for Meta. Now, it will be coming out weeks and months. When we talk about these rollouts with AI, well, with Meta, period, it's going to take a minute. It is. If we think about it, it's probably going to go to some of the top creators. Then it'll probably go down to the 100K and above. Then it'll go to the 10K and above, and then roll out to everybody. This is how I feel that this will probably go, if we pay attention to patterns and how rollouts normally do. Now, I could be wrong, because it could be something that is going to just be blasted out to everybody. I don't know. I'm really curious of what that would look like. Maybe I could get Roberto on the live one time to see what he thinks about it. There's other creators. There was another person that has it. Let me see if I can find it real quick. And here we go.
Today, they're rolling out AI Studio. And if you're a creator, you're gonna wanna try this, because I think it's gonna make your life a whole lot easier. Now, a big problem for creators is the amount of DMs. You just can't get to them all. But creator AIs are gonna solve this. The goal is to train my AI so it responds like I would, but it only answers the types of things that I want it to. That's super important. It's not designed to replace me, it's designed to help me achieve one-to-one trust at scale. So I've been playing with this a lot. This is what mine looks like in Instagram. First, I tell it which types of posts I want it to learn my voice from. So if comments is toggled on, any comment reply I make to any of my videos, it's learning my voice and how I respond. Then I went to the Your Information section, added some facts about my life, I specified some topics I wanted it to avoid, and also gave it some links to my newsletter and community. Now this is the fun part. You can go into test mode and have a full conversation with it as if you were a fan. Whenever it answers, you can long press on the message and edit it so that it says exactly what you would have said. And it saves that and learns from it. So if you train it enough, it'll get really good at sounding like you and becoming a true assistant. When I interviewed Zuck, we talked a lot about where this could go and why it's gonna be so important for creators and small businesses. I think the future is gonna be full of these types of AI agents. So if you're a creator or business owner, I'd start playing with it. Try it out, make your own in AI Studio, or you can message back and forth with mine on my Instagram profile.
Okay, so he does have it as well. All right. This is what I like finding, and Janita, I saw that you DM me, so let's look at that. But let's go here. Let's see what Janita said. So tools. Oh, it does say. So Janita does have like yours AI. Because that's exactly, if we go back, hold on. Boop. If we go back, it says under tools to set up, and it says your AI. So Janita does have it. Come on. But I think she said that you can't do nothing with it. You can't do nothing. Womp womp. Womp womp. I'm looking forward to it. I want it. I hope the Instagram people see that I'm covering it on another platform to give it more exposure. Whatever. I was going to do it anyways. It's not necessarily to get it to them to give me the feature, but I would like it if they did. You feel me? Please and thank you. You feel me? Remember last week I told you about Meta AI's new update and how you can use your photo and change it to different characters. So I wanted to do that on live to see what it looks like. So you can decide if you want to do that too. So this is, I put / imagine me as a basketball player. I don't know, it was just random, right? And so it will say, create an AI generate images of yourself. So you have to scan yourself to get these types of images. So get started. It's going to say, allow Meta to analyze and generate images of you. So let's go allow. All right. Ooh, take photo. Center face. Slightly right. Nope. Nope. Slightly. Oh, that right. Slightly left. All right. There we go. See what it does. All set. Okay. So let's try. Imagine me as a basketball player. See what it does. Maybe it's going to take a minute. It's going to take a minute? Oh, that's weird. What? What is happening? What in the world is that? Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another. Imagine. That was weird. As a hip hop artist. Let's do that. In the 90s. Come on. In the 90s. That's wild. That looks crazy. Oh, you got to put, I'm gonna show you while it does it. You have to, in Meta AI, you have to put imagine me and then whatever you want it to imagine, and it'll prompt it to look. That's not me. That's not me. Oh, I put as a, I didn't put imagine me. Ha, hold on. Imagine me as a hip hop artist. Okay. I just created a random artist. It's like you're prettier than that. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? That was wild. What is happening here? What? Yo, someone in the chat, give me something else. Give me something else. This what? Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Imagine me working at Meta. That's wild. That is wild. That is... Yo, I don't know what just happened. This is what. It doesn't even spell meta right. Okay, let's imagine. Imagine, why do they have my face like that? What? Imagine me working at Instagram. You can't mess, like I said, Meta, and they messed that up. Instagram. This is wild. This face that they have. Imagine you as an astronaut. Got it. We're going to do that too. Why? What is happening? This is what Instagram look. What is happening here? All right. Hold on. We got do the narco vibes. I'm not going to. Okay. Hold on. We got as an astronaut. So let's do that. Imagine me. Let me go back here. As an astronaut. Let's do that. This is wild. This is absolutely wild. Okay? This the side smile. Okay, that's not that bad. I'm okay with this one. The rest has been trashed. Okay? The rest has been I'm okay with this one. All right? Hold on. Somebody else said imagine as a cowgirl. Okay. We're gonna do that. Imagine as a cow girl. Not girls. Imagine me as a cowgirl. I'm scared. This is funny. What is happening? Oh my God, this is hilarious, yo. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm gonna go with Isaiah's thing, but I don't know how to imagine me in the show Narcos. Let's see if it does it. I'm very curious if it will. If y'all know Narcos. What? Is that me Colombian? What's happening? I don't know what that is. Why do I got a chest tattoo? What is happening? Hold on, I got imagine on a cruise with a glass of champagne. I got you. This is just funny. Hold on. Imagine me on a cruise with a glass of champagne. This is so hilarious. This is so bad. We're gonna do this too. Lamborghini driver. Oh, because I have my hair in a ponytail. I'm like, why they got me a short hair? I get it. Why they got me looking like a little boy? Meta. You got whatever. Okay. Anyways, I'm not here for this. This is wild. Imagine me as a Lambo. How you spell Lamborghini? There we go. Go back. There we go. Driver. This is just fun to me. This is just hilarious. Imagine you with long curly hair, with blonde hair. Okay, we could try that. I'm just mad at this. Like you have me looking this wild. Okay, let's go with Janita. And then we're gonna go into our AI music because I see we got like 15 minutes left. So hold on. This may be a long live. I don't know yet. Imagine me with long, oh, I can't even say long, blonde, not blinds, blonde, curly hair. My fiance would love this. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, Jesus. Let's see what this looks like. No, this is IG cat. What is this? We're going to Suno, people. I don't know what you want me to do with this. I don't know what you want me to do with this. This is cute. Yeah, okay, whatever. Look, it's cute. AI, thanks. Whatever. I'm good on this. Look at this. Look at this. This is wild. I'm good. I'm absolutely okay. I'm done playing. I'm done playing. Stephanie, I'm done playing. I'm not doing this. Okay? Imagine you as no, I'm not imagining nothing anymore. I'm not imagining anything. You feel me? No more just that. You feel like I don't even. Well, I do got tattoos, but I don't got nothing here. That's wild. We're not doing this. I'm over it. I'm over it, people. We're not doing this. Oh wait, I gotta do this one. Chris, you still on? Imagine as a NASCAR driver. I did. Well, that's a Lamborghini driver. I'm not doing this no more. I can't do it. I don't. It's looking Mariah Carey. It's so not. So not. First off, I can't stand none of y'all right now. All of y'all are ridiculous to me. Nicky's got bundles. What is happening here? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? What is happening? Oh man. Oh, I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not playing with y'all. Really? I'm not playing with y'all. I don't want to do this with y'all no more. I'm gonna go play music. We're gonna play music now. All right? We're gonna play music. I'm not doing this with y'all. Right? Hold on. Creator critique more often, once a month. Creator critique more often and once a month. The creation of music on Suno. Don't shoot the messenger. Who's with me, chat? Adam, you got to be inside of Deeper Than the Brand to get the critique. We're gonna do it once a month, maybe. On live. You feel me? Oh, okay. Jordan's still there? Okay, hold on. I'll all right. All right, Jordan, I got you. Hold on. This is wild. I'm not doing this again. We're not doing this again. Hold on. Imagine me as a NASCAR driver. All right. There you go. Let's see. Game over. Imagine Nicky with a BB. What? Well, first off, I look like a little boy. But NASCAR drivers get paid, so let's do it. You feel me? I'm okay. This is wild. I'm done with this. Second, bright colors, you're wild for this one. Okay. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That right there, I'm not doing that. You're wild. You're absolutely wild. I'm not doing this with you.